Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is a true story of synchronicities. Now, I am telling you a true story. Story was made into Hollywood film also. Story revolves around a character called Christopher Paul Gardner, and actor Will Smith played the role of the protagonist. Paul Gardner was born in a very poverty stricken family, and he received a very little education in his childhood. And in his adult, his wife left him, and after that, he and his little son became homeless. He even spent a night in a bathroom in San Francisco railway station. But one day he made his mind to do something to change his life. He prepared his mind, and synchronicities, meaningful coincidences, come to that people who are prepared. And in that case, a beautiful synchronicity happened in Christopher Paul Gardner's life. Very renowned stockbroker Bob Bridges came into his life. And after meeting Bob Bridges, his life dramatically changed. He started working in the stockbroker firm of the Bob Bridges as a trainee. He even passed the licensing exam and became a full-time employee in that stockbroker firm. More synchronicities started happening in his life, and eventually he started his own stockbroker firm, and slowly he became billionaires. At the later part of his life, he became philanthropist, donating millions of dollars to the homeless people. Again, I am telling you, my friends, this is a true story. This is not a dogma or philosophy. Meaningful coincidences, synchronicities are not dogmas, philosophies. This is a well-based physics. Renowned Nobel Award winner physicist Mr. Pauli advocated and spread the idea of synchronicities. He and Carl Jung, Pauli and Carl Jung, written so many books on synchronicity. It is a physics. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, please get in touch with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste.